What if a luxury SUV could cost you less to maintain than a basic Corolla? Most luxury SUVs bleed your wallet dry. $800, $900, over $1,000 a year in repairs. But we found 5 that flip the script completely. Leather seats, premium tech, advanced safety systems, and annual maintenance under $550. One of them costs just $233 a year to maintain, and it's not the one you'd expect. We use data from RepairPal, Consumer Reports, and JD Power to find the best luxury SUVs for drivers who want comfort, safety, and zero headaches. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel to help us reach our dream of 100,000 subscribers. Thank you. Now let's go from bottom to top. Number 5. Toyota Highlander Limited. A retired couple bought a 2016 Highlander Limited with 24,000 miles. The seat height is ideal for seniors. You sit in, you don't climb up or drop down. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard with automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise and lane departure alert. And the climate controls are physical buttons, not confusing touchscreen menus. RepairPal puts the Highlander at $489 a year in maintenance, well below average. Fuel economy is about 22 miles per gallon combined, roughly $150 a month. Consumer Reports gives it a 5 out of 5 reliability rating year after year. Compare that to an Audi Q7, and you're saving close to $400 a year just in repairs. When shopping used, test the transmission for any jerkiness between 3rd and 4th gear. A known quirk on 2014 to 2016 models. And listen for water pump noise at idle. Those are the 2 things to catch early. The Highlander Limited is perfect for anyone who needs 3 rows, carries grandkids, and wants Toyota reliability in a genuinely comfortable package. The trade-off? It's not a real luxury badge. The cabin is beautiful for a Toyota, but it still feels like a Toyota. If you want a genuine luxury name without the luxury maintenance bill, the next SUV will shock you. Number 4. Buick Envision. A 74-year-old woman in Florida traded in her Mercedes GLC because she was tired of the repair bills. She picked up a Buick Envision Avenir. 3 years later, she has spent $0 on unscheduled repairs. She told the dealer she upgraded her life and downgraded her stress. Under the hood is a 2.0-litre turbo 4-cylinder with 228 horsepower, a 9-speed automatic, and standard all-wheel drive. The Avenir trim gives you quilted leather seats with massage, heating, and ventilation. The cabin is whisper quiet. Despite the 30-inch dashboard screen, Buick kept physical buttons for climate and volume, essential for older drivers who don't want to fight a touchscreen. The HD surround vision camera gives a bird's-eye parking view, and automatic parking assist can parallel park for you. Here's the number that makes jaws drop. RepairPal reports the Envision at just $233 a year, the lowest of any SUV on the market. Owners visit the shop for unscheduled repairs 0.2 times per year. That's once every 5 years. Compare that to a BMW X3 at $948 a year, and you're saving nearly $700 annually. Fuel economy is a solid 25 miles per gallon combined. If you're looking at a used one, check whether the body control module recall for daytime running lights has been completed. And test for turbo lag from a dead stop. The engine should respond within a second. This SUV is for anyone who wants legitimate luxury comfort at the lowest maintenance cost in the industry. The trade-off? Cargo space is only 25.2 cubic feet, tight for a large folding wheelchair, and the Buick badge doesn't carry Lexus prestige. But that low resale value is your advantage as a used car buyer. Before we move on to the next vehicle, appreciate if you can hit the like button and help YouTube to push this video to many other viewers like you. Now we're entering the big leagues. Number 3. Acura RDX. A retired engineer, 72 years old, bought a 2019 RDX brand new. 6 years and 98,000 miles later, his total unscheduled repair cost is $340. 1 water pump, 1 brake job. He told me I forget it even needs maintenance. The RDX runs a 2.0-litre VTEC turbo, making 272 horsepower with a 10-speed automatic. Honda engineering at its core with millions of miles of proof. The optional super-handling all-wheel drive actively pulls the car through corners. The seats have electric lumbar support that genuinely helps with back issues. Acura Watch Safety Suite is standard on every trim. Automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise, lane keeping, road departure mitigation. One honest warning, Acura uses a touchpad controller instead of a touchscreen, and many older drivers find it extremely frustrating. The fix is simple. Plug in your phone via USB, activate Apple CarPlay, and use Siri for everything. The climate and radio are still physical buttons. RepairPal rates the RDX 4.5 out of 5, number 1 in the entire luxury compact SUV class. Annual maintenance is $497 compared to the class average of $859. That's $362 saved every year. A BMW X3 costs $948 a year. A Mercedes GLC costs $908. The RDX is less than half. Bonus: any Honda dealer can service it, and Honda dealers are everywhere. When inspecting a used RDX, check the touchpad responsiveness. They get sluggish after 80,000 miles. Listen for unusual turbo whine. And on 2019 to 2020 models, ask about AC compressor noise at cold starts. It's a known issue. The RDX is for anyone who wants Honda reliability in a luxury wrapper at half the cost of European competitors. Skip it if you hate the touchpad. Test drive first. And if you need the smoothest, most serene ride above everything else, the next SUV does that better. Number 2. Lexus RX 350. Oh, this is the SUV I tell people to buy when they say they want one car they'll own until they stop driving altogether. A customer who bought a 2013 RX 350 in 2016 with 38,000 miles. She just turned 78. The truck has 142,000 miles. In 9 years, she has spent $1,890 on repairs. Brakes, 2 batteries, and a window regulator. That's $210 a year. There is no luxury SUV on the planet that touches that number. None. The 2GR-FE 3.5-litre V6 is widely considered one of the most reliable engines in automotive history. Timing chain, port-injected, naturally aspirated. It's in the Camry, the Avalon, the Highlander, and millions of other vehicles worldwide with documented 300,000-mile track records on factory internals. I have personally seen 2 of these torn down at over 280,000 miles, and both had cylinder wear within factory tolerance. The U660E 6-speed transmission has owners posting 400,000 miles online. This powertrain is set in concrete. The seat height is 21 inches, the ideal step-in height for anyone with knee or hip issues. You don't climb, you don't drop, you sit. The doors open wide, the sills are low, and the floor is flat. The ride glides over potholes that would jolt a German SUV. For someone with arthritis or a bad back, the difference is night and day. The cabin is so quiet you can make a phone call at 70 miles per hour without raising your voice. Lexus Safety System Plus is standard on 2016 and newer models. The 2013 to 2015 models use Lexus Remote Touch, essentially a joystick mouse that's tricky for older hands. My tip: install an aftermarket Apple CarPlay module for $300 to $500 and control everything by voice. RepairPal puts the RX at $550 a year, but real-world careful owners like my customer spend $210. A 2013 to 2015 with under 100,000 miles goes for $17,000 to $22,000. For the same money, a comparable Audi Q5 will need a $2,800 timing chain tensioner at 100,000 miles. The Lexus will need an air filter, regular fuel, about $130 a month in gas. Your inspection checklist. 1. Check the dashboard for cracking. Some 2010 to 2013 models had this in hot climates, and Toyota extended the warranty. 2. Listen for power steering whine at high mileage. $700 to fix. Use it to negotiate. 3. Test the rear hatch struts. If the hatch drops, it's an $80 fix. 4. Pro tip: find one owned by a single, older driver and check the seat bolster. If it's barely scuffed, you've found a winner. The RX 350 is for almost any senior driver. Joint issues? The seat height alone is worth it. Couple sharing one car? The adjustability is fantastic. Want one SUV for 10 years with zero worry? This is it. Skip it if you need 3 rows. Get the Highlander. Need to tow over 3,500 pounds? Look at the GX. Want sporty handling? The RX drives like a cushioned sofa, and that's exactly what most seniors want. But if the RX 350 is the gold standard, the number 1 SUV on our list is the one Consumer Reports named the single most reliable vehicle on the entire market. Not just SUVs, not just luxury, the most reliable vehicle, period. Number 1. Lexus GX 460. A retired physician, 81 years old in Arizona, bought a GX460 new in 2014. It now has 187,000 miles. He drives it every day. In 11 years, his unscheduled repair cost is $1,050, one water pump and a set of rear shocks. That's $95 a year. He said this truck will outlive me, and I'm okay with that. The 1UR-FE 4.6-litre V8 is based on the Land Cruiser Prado platform, legendary for surviving the harshest conditions on Earth. Toyota deliberately did not squeeze maximum horsepower from this engine. Instead, they overbuilt it with massive durability margins. According to IC Cars, 16.3% of Land Cruiser platform vehicles reach 200,000 miles, compared to the segment average of 1%. The 6-speed automatic is from the same family as the Land Cruiser and Tundra, proven across millions of trucks. Full-time four-wheel drive with a torsion center differential. This is a body-on-frame SUV that absorbs rough roads with a level of confidence no crossover can match. Seat height is higher than the RX, but a sidestep makes entry easy for older drivers. The luxury trim features semi-aniline leather with heating and ventilation. The driver's seat adjusts 10 ways with memory positions. Set it for you, set it for your spouse, and the car remembers. Cabin is remarkably quiet for a truck-based platform. The mirrors are large with excellent visibility in every direction. You sit high, you see everything, and the truck feels planted and unshakable. The 2019 Plus models get Lexus Safety System Plus Standard. Climate and heated seat controls are all physical buttons. No touchscreen needed for the essentials. The money story is fascinating. Lexus averages $551 a year, but GX owners frequently report under $300 because the powertrain just doesn't break. The honest downside is fuel. There's 16 miles per gallon combined on premium. That's $200 to $220 a month. A 2014 to 2018 GX with under 100,000 miles runs $28,000 to $38,000. A Range Rover Sport from the same era costs the same to buy, but $1,500 to $2,000 a year to maintain. The GX costs $300. Over 10 years, that difference saves you $12,000 to $17,000. The GX pays for its own fuel penalty by never braking. Inspection checklist. 1. Check valve cover gaskets for oil seepage. Common at 120,000 plus miles, about $400 to $600. 2. If the vehicle has KDSS suspension, inspect the hydraulic lines for leaks, a $1,200 repair you can use to negotiate. 3. Listen for differential noise on slow turns, $150 for a fluid change. 4. Pro tip: find a 1 or 2 owner vehicle with full Lexus dealer service records. If those exist, you're almost guaranteed premium condition. The GX460 is for anyone who wants a buy-it-for-life luxury SUV. One purchase, drive it until you decide to stop driving. Perfect for snow, bad roads, and anyone who puts safety above everything. At £5,130 with body-on-frame construction, this truck is a fortress. Skip it if fuel costs are a concern. 16 miles per gallon on premium will hurt. And if you need a compact city vehicle, the GX at 189 inches is not easy to park. There you have it, 5 luxury SUVs with maintenance costs that'll make your mechanic jealous. The Highlander at $489 a year. The Envision at an almost unbelievable $233. The RDX at $497 with Honda reliability. The legendary RX 350 with real-world owners spending $210 a year. And the indestructible GX460 at $95 a year for an owner who's been driving it for over a decade. Comment down below. Which one would you pick for yourself or for someone you love? If you're already driving one of these, tell us your story. Hope you like this video. If you haven't done so far, please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more informative automobile videos. Thank you for watching.